Welcome to this tutorial on how to remove WordPress admin menu bar items in just a few minutes. This guide will walk you through each step clearly and concisely, ensuring that you understand every move necessary to successfully customize your WordPress site. Begin by opening your browser and navigating to the main WordPress website. Once you have the site loaded, locate the login option typically found in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on the login button will start the process of securely accessing your WordPress dashboard. If you are already familiar with WordPress, these steps should be straightforward and guide you into the administration area of your website. After clicking the login option, you will see an option that says Continue with Google. This feature streamlines account access by connecting you with your Google account. Simply select this option and choose your desired account from the list provided. It is a simple and efficient way to log in without having to remember additional credentials. This method is especially useful for those managing multiple sites or who value the convenience of single sign-on solutions. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be directed to the main dashboard. From here, focus your attention on the quick link section where you will find an option labeled Edit Site. By selecting Edit Site within the quick links, you are taken to the page where you can customize various elements of your website. This area is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to make adjustments to menus, layouts, and other visual components with minimal hassle. Now that you are in the site editor, shift your attention to the header area of your website. Here, select the element that represents your website's menu. Clicking on this menu will open up additional options and settings. This step is crucial because it guides you from the visual layout of your site into the specific area where administrative changes can be made to the menu items on your site's header. After you have interacted with your menu, direct your focus to the right panel of the site editor. Within this panel, locate the Settings tab. This area contains several customization tools that control how your menu behaves and appears. Take a moment to explore the Settings tab as it holds many options that could be useful when making further customizations beyond what is covered in this tutorial. In the Settings tab, scroll until you find the Overlay menu section. This part of the settings is specifically designed for adjusting how and when your menu appears on your site. Once you have located the Overlay menu section, you will see options regarding its display settings. Look for the option that directs you to adjust its behavior, and you will find an option to select Always. Clicking Always ensures that the changes you are making will be consistently applied throughout your site without the need for additional input at different times. Following these steps carefully will result in the removal of unwanted WordPress admin menu bar items, giving you greater control over your site's navigation and improving the overall look and functionality of your website. Each click and selection is designed to be intuitive, making the process smooth even for those who are relatively new to WordPress. This simple yet efficient method demonstrates how small adjustments can have a significant impact on the management and presentation of your site. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you now have a more personalized admin interface. Enjoy the cleaner, more focused dashboard experience that comes from removing unnecessary menu items, and take pride in having customized your website to better meet your needs.